Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Forte. From the last few days, we have been independently reviewing the OxygenOS 16 open beta update. I have almost covered all the important features and the changes of OxygenOS 16 open beta. You will find the links of all the videos in the description. But all of those OxygenOS 16 reviews were done on OnePlus 13R. Today in this video, I will review the remaining user interface and the feature changes of OxygenOS 16 on OnePlus 12R. At the end, I have shown some major bugs and the missing features that I found in this OxygenOS 16 open beta build. Before proceeding, I want to tell you something. I am honestly using all of these devices. Our channel is not like just review and forget. I always try to provide genuine reviews only after I personally test every single details of OxygenOS updates and features. So if you think this video and our channel is useful, then just press the like and hype button to rank our videos at the top, which ultimately help my channel to grow faster. Now without further delay, let's get started. So if you are using OxygenOS 16 open beta on OnePlus 12R, all the details are same for OnePlus 13 and 12 series. The OxygenOS version is same, it's OxygenOS 16 V200EX01 with nice Android 16 Easter egg. It has October 2025 security patches. Now I will only review the important changes and the features of OxygenOS 16. Some major features and their overviews I already did in our previous uploaded videos. You can find them in the description. The first change I didn't shown in the previous video is OxygenOS 16 widgets. OxygenOS 16 now has all third-party and OnePlus widgets combined in one section. Also, OxygenOS 16 got some new widgets like this new AI suggest widget, new battery level widget, other calculator widgets now adds the unit converter on the device home screen. New clock styles are available for clock widgets. A new game assist widget is available to quickly launch your games. A new smart ruler is available but it's buggy and it's showing some error when I added it on the home screen. So all of these widgets are useful and help you to improve your device productivity. Next are new icon packs. The new Flux theme icon pack provides same accent and the look as the theme you are using on your device. But I liked the new look of Shadow icon pack. This adds a new black rounded background and new icons for some applications. Next, OxygenOS 16 offers lots of home screen and app drawer app icon layouts like 3x5, 3x6, 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, 5x6, 5x7. Total 7 new layouts are available now, whereas in OxygenOS 15 only 2 4x6 and 5x6 were available. Next is a new app drawer look of OxygenOS 16. The OxygenOS 16 app drawer now offers recently installed or user application at the top of the app drawer panel. It now also offers the new AI categorizations of application available on your device in a different folders like social, tools, photography, etc. The search bar is now moved to the bottom of the app drawer. Application folders on the home screen are now scalable to circular, square or rectangular shapes. Previously, they were only scalable in a square and rectangular shape. If we expand the icons of some application, we get 3 different shortcuts to quickly access some of the application features. I think this is the most productive feature of OxygenOS 16, but currently it's only available for some Google and OnePlus applications only. If some applications don't have this app shortcut feature, then you can enlarge the app icon similar to the square size of other application folders. Some new applications are available in OxygenOS 16 like this new compass application, which having this new compass and level indicator with haptic feedback. The new OnePlus weather application now shows the actual weather conditions with different animations. This animation looks realistic and gives nice vibes to user interface of OnePlus weather application. The next change is for the quick setting panel. But on OnePlus 12R, I found one feature is missing as compared to OnePlus 13R OxygenOS 16. The top panel of OxygenOS 16 on OnePlus 13R has these three settings control. One is pencil icon to edit QS panel, settings app gear icon, and last is 3-dot menu control. On the OnePlus 13R, while editing, we can add two more QS panel widgets, which are not available on OnePlus 12R. In the 3-dot menu of OxygenOS 16 on OnePlus 13R, there are only 3 options are available, while on OnePlus 12R there are 5 settings options are available. And one of that is show my device. This adds the device manager panel at the bottom of the QS panel. But on OnePlus 13R, we can add the device manager widget directly in a QS panel. Next are new dynamic flux themes. I already reviewed OxygenOS 16 flux theme in details. Its video link is available in the iCard. All the features of these flux themes and their settings are same and working on both OnePlus 12 and 13 series. Next are new OxygenOS 16 AI features. This is also a very big topic, offering lots of amazing AI features that I already reviewed in our old OxygenOS 16 AI features review video. You will find that video in iCard link. Next is the new animations for back gesture. You will find this option under system navigation. If you enable this toggle, you can preview the previous page of the settings with this new page slide animation. This is working in most of system applications and settings, and it looks very nice. Next are new user interface changes of OnePlus photo application. The old photo application had photo, album and explore tab at the bottom of the screen with simple user interface. But in the new photo application, there are 4 tabs available. If you tap on the first tab, it will open all the photos and the video memories in the timeline format. You get the option to switch between yearly, monthly or day-wise views of all content available on your device. While exploring the album tab, if you click on the plus icon, you can add new folder. While exploring the photos, if we tap on the last tab, we can sort out the content visibility into photos, videos, motion photos, screenshot and recordings, favorites and edited photos. Or just you can select all and all content will be visible in the photo application. This new OxygenOS 16 photo application offers easy to access and use shortcut menu control at the bottom, which is really useful. Next is new game assistant of OxygenOS 16. It's a revamped version of OxygenOS 15 game space feature. I will release the separate detailed video review of this feature, but still I will overview the important features and the user interface of new game assistant now. The game assistant has completely new revamped user interface. By tapping on this plus icon, now you can add any application to game assistant. So all the features of games will be available for any application. Floating game assistant menu has completely different user interface. It has new smooth opening and closing animations. Here you get some special features like new Hyper HDR screen quality. OxygenOS 16 added new Hyper Response Engine, which has different slider controls for touch position and sensitivity, with new Ultra Touch feature. Except this, all other old features got new tab-shaped user interface. Gaming with Hyper Response Sensitivity, Hyper HDR, and 120 FPS will give you the next level of gaming experience on your device running with OxygenOS 16. Next, my device connectivity in OxygenOS 16 offers you seamless connections and its settings for Windows laptops, PCs, iPhones, Bluetooth devices, and Android phones. I especially liked the touch interactions of OxygenOS 16. Just touch to OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16. The new touch interconnection will activate with nice liquid flow animation. Then just swipe up the content which you want to send on other device. That's it. The content will be immediately available on other OnePlus or iPhone smartphone. Next, OxygenOS 16 now offers show live updates on live alert notification. Just go to the settings, then enable the toggle for which application you want the live notifications in a live alert. It's currently working for Google Maps, food, grocery, and cab booking applications. OxygenOS 16 now offers bigger magnification when you select text anywhere in the system. Even in the 3-dot selection menu, you get the multiple shortcuts like share, read aloud, translate, ask ChatGPT, and new quick note shortcuts. OxygenOS 16 has no glass user interface for most top elements like lock screen widgets, clock, application folder on the home screen, notification QS panel, power menu, shelf, app drawer, categories, and search bar with recent menu close button. This user interface is inspired by iOS liquid glass design and it gives nice look to OxygenOS 16. Next, OnePlus introduced their new Flow Motion technology, which now provides parallel processing beyond the home screen. That's why apps opening, closing, scrolling, touch response, and animations, everything is much faster now. Bouncy and liquid animations of charging, fingerprint unlocking, and multi-window applications uses in OxygenOS 16 gives next level of feel. But some things are not right in OnePlus 12 series with OxygenOS 16. You can call the first one as a missing feature of QS panel that you already discussed. I think OnePlus has not implemented the new QS panel widgets for OxygenOS 16 on OnePlus 12 series devices. Both OnePlus 13 and 12 series do not have OxygenOS dialer, which was the most wanted feature by OnePlus fans. Next, I found OxygenOS 16 is not well optimized with OnePlus 12 series. It has lags here and there, similar to OxygenOS 15. Like when I tried to apply a Flux theme, after that device feels very laggy here and there. It also happens suddenly sometimes. But it is not the case for my OnePlus 13R. It works very well even during any kind of task in OxygenOS 16. The lag of OxygenOS 16 on OnePlus 12R is a major concern. On OnePlus 13R, I found live screen wallpaper goes blank during some task, which happens randomly. Except that everything is good on both of devices. So this is all about for OxygenOS 16 open beta for OnePlus 12 and 13 series. I have almost covered all the points why this and our other OxygenOS 16 videos. Now I will only release separate OxygenOS 16 battery, performance and gaming test video. So to get their notification, please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OxygenOS and OnePlus. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.